This is X. X is immortal. X loves observing things. One day in the Stone Age, an idea of a flat Earth suddenly pops into his mind as he is looking at the sky. X is lost in his thought. If the Earth is really flat, water from oceans may flow out of it. No. Well, there should be a high wall to prevent water from flowing out. Yes, a very, very high wall, which X cannot climb over. X, therefore, assumes that the Earth is flat, inferring from what he sees. On a free day, like any other days, X goes out to the sea, trying to find a wall, so as not to get lost. X rows straight in one direction. He goes for a long time. X returned to where he had started. How can this be? Is the Earth really flat? Ant watching is one of X's peculiar hobbies. One day, X is watching an ant doing its work as he recalls an image of an ant with a much bigger shadow which he saw a few days back and at the same period of time as the present. Why? X is brainstorming. Perhaps the Earth has the shape of a sphere. Sky gazing is another hobby that X has taken up recently. Looking at the sky, he pays more attention to the sun. X sits there from day to day. He remains sitting for so long that his beard grows up to 1 meter long. If the Earth moves around its orbit, we must see the change of the constellations, but it doesn't. If so, the Earth must be the heart of the universe and other stars orbit around it. X doesn't remember when he has started launching himself on the habit of looking at the sky. Luckily, X has recently upgraded his sky-gazing passion with a telescope he found somewhere on the Earth. As X looks through the telescope, strange things seem to appear which he has hardly noticed before. Speed of the sun differs throughout a year. Planets rotate and orbit in the same plane, and sometimes they reverse their movement. X is brainstorming again. X finds that the sun is at the heart of the universe, not the Earth. Hundreds of years later, X has found APCS, an agency responsible for civilian space program. X is so rich that he used the rocket to carry people out of the Earth and enjoy its outer space just for fun. Hence, he flies out and see the whole planet system is truly Heliocentrism. However, in the past, there were many times when X made mistakes about a theory that he thought it was right, such as flat Earth theory and geocentric theory. It took thousands of years for X to correct what he did. Will X be wrong again in the future? And the correct statement will still be correct at that time? We will see in the future. For all those years, humans have been observing to change their perceptions about this Earth day by day, generations by generations, ages by ages. Remember, what we see may not be what it really is.